Hi guys, Crystal here. Today we are going to be playing Minecraft PE Survival, and right now I am inside my house that I built before the video even started. I got rotten flesh, sticks, a door, charcoal, birch blocks, and some torches. Oh, and I almost forgot the stone pickaxe. Ooh, I think I'm gonna save it inside here. Okay. Because I'm about to go outside. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't die. Hit it. Oh no, I crouched. Go, hit. Ah! It jumped. Don't. Okay. No one notices me. That's good. There's nothing up there, I think. Yeah, that's just a flower. A pig. Sheep. There's a creeper there. Anything else? Ooh, there's a skeleton, spider. Ooh, I don't want to get near him because I almost died when I was building my house. Ooh, it's almost done. I think I want to... Oh, I don't have any food. No, this is not good. Okay, I have to use my cheating app. Sorry, guys, but I'm just going to have to. What should I get? No, not that. This. I just want to see what it looked like. I'm not actually cheating. Huh? What? I'm not cheating. What are you talking about? I'm not cheating. Liar. But seriously, look at that boost up. I was like losing health and all, but then... Oh. Ooh, what's down here? Oh, nothing. Okay, let's just go over there. Yeah. Oh no! That scared me! Yo. That scared me. I was like coming out, and then that creeper just shows out of nowhere. Well, it didn't show up out of nowhere, but oops, a trap. But it didn't show up out of nowhere. I was like scared. Seriously. I was not expecting that. Okay. Where's my food? My food. Don't tell me he took it with him. I'll never forgive him. Or she. I don't know what it is actually, so don't really care now. Oh yes, I got it back. Good. Alright. Now let me just help you out with that. Just make sure you're getting boom. Would that help you? Okay, everything's all fixed. Oh, might want to add something there. Okay. Now let us go on. Ooh, what's these? Don't tell me it's a dandelion. Oh, okay. That's better than dandelion. But these, I have no idea what they are. Wait, are these? Oh, no. Okay, so they're just grass. I got seeds at least. Okay, zombie. Where is the zombie? Up there, maybe. I don't see it, unfortunately. Okay, nope, never mind. Alright, I'm just getting... Oh, wait, there's a chicken there. I could trap it. Wait, what? Do you have like a suit or something? That is nice. Actually, it reminded me of Captain America for some reason. Because that blue and red. And then that white on top. I'll feed the chicken. Don't worry, guys. Come on, chicken. I'm not going to kill it. I'm going to get another chicken. Yep. And breed it. And so I get another chicken. See, it's all figured out. So here. Yay, let me. You're not to exit that door. I'll find something. I just found the chicken, so. Oh, wait, I found one. Where was the chicken? Over here? Wait, what are these? I really like these. This is a dandelion? Seriously? A dandelion. Ugh. Although, it looks cool, so I won't really complain. Ooh, those are sunflowers. Definitely. Right? Yep. Sunflower. There's horses here. Good. I'm gonna need them soon. Dandelions over there. But you know what I need? A chicken. And I saw it before. And I was bringing the other chicken in. Wait, is it in here? No. Seriously? I saw one. Alright. It's okay. I mean, at least I got one chicken. That's okay. Nope. No seeds for you. Although I really like to see the lion. There's my sword now. What would I like to do today? Oh yes, I'm going to have to murder some sheep. Go! Oops. Oh wait, I have to use this. Oh no, I placed it down. That's gonna happen in battles. Oh, yes. I mean, I won't really say yes because I just killed a sheep. And that is not good. What's over there? Oh, nothing. I'm not interested. I got tons of dandelions near me. Oh, but I had to kill the sheep, so... Got 3. Oh, I'm not moving fast. I have to eat 1. Okay, that's it. And I need another sheep. Nothing here. I only got 2 wool. I need 1 more. Where is the sheep? Ugh, they ran out. There. Keep you supplied. Maybe over there? But that's where the horses are. I don't want to kill the horse. I need the horses. Ooh, what's this? Big... Wait, what's this? Can I collect it? No, I can't. Okay, I don't know. What? Something fell. What? Oh, wait, is that iron? I think that's iron. Oh, what else? Ooh, this place looks cool. There's coal there. Ooh, wow. Jungle. I never expected to be over here. Okay. I need some pumpkins. Yum. Always good. Seriously, I thought there'd be some sheep. I need sheep. But once I find that sheep, I'm gonna kill it. But I need the wool. Wait, I'm going to try to jump here. So something will turn up later. Wait, I have not checked over here. Excuse me for one moment. There must be in some area. One sheep. Just one. Don't tell me I killed the last sheep. Wait, what's over there? Nothing. Oh, sheep. Yes. Quickly, kill it. No. Thank you. I will leave your life alone now. I won't interfere with it anymore. Oops. I don't like doing that. Oh my goodness. I just realized I talked in a low voice. Sorry guys for talking in a low voice now. Now, since I finally found some sheep, I can find... Oh wait, no, no, no! I totally forgot about the chicken. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Come back inside. There's no seeds for you. Whew. That was a close one. Anyway, I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3. That's 5. Yep, I was right. Come on, put it over there. Now, if I do this... Wait, no. It's like that. Okay. Alright. Wait, what? What's this? Oh, an egg. Oh, yes. That's cool. That looks like Easter egg. Nice. Wait, where's the chicken? Oh, yes. I'm gonna spawn it. It did not work. Chicken. It did not work. Hatch some more. Hatch some more. Anyway, this... Oh, it's nighttime? If I look through that window, yes it is. I have a pet chicken now. How wonderful. It's morning now, I guess. Yep. Oh no. Chicken's not out. Right? I can't really see. Oh yes, it's in. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna need my pickaxe. Oh no. Close it quickly. No eggs yet. Okay. Pickaxe. I'm gonna need more stone. No, let me through quick. Okay. Now I'm gonna go over. Oh, there are the sheeps. Now they finally come. Oops, sorry, gotta go guys. Bye.